Hello everyone, and welcome to Brookside Gardens, a breathtaking natural masterpiece right here in Wheaton, Maryland. During this time of year, in the middle of this beautiful autumn season, Brookside Gardens is truly what you would call a colorful dream. If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and find yourself in a place that calms the mind and delights the eyes, this is the perfect destination. Today, we're going to walk through this park, soaking in all the golden, orange, and red magic that autumn has brought. And we have another special purpose for this journey: to visit the heart of these gardens, the Conservatory, which is currently filled with a spectacular display of thousands upon thousands of chrysanthemums. Come on, join us on this beautiful walk. First, let's take a walk around the outdoor parts of the garden. Just look at this. Look how beautifully the leaves on these maple trees have turned a deep, vibrant red. When the sunlight filters through these leaves, the entire landscape seems to glow with a golden light. Brookside Gardens is a 50-acre collection of several distinct garden rooms. We're currently walking through the Gude Garden. The Japanese tea house and these calm, serene ponds bring an incredible sense of peace to this space. Look at the reflections of those colorful trees on the water's surface. It's like a living painting created by a master artist. As we walk, that crunch sound of the dry leaves under our feet, it's like the official music of the fall season. There's really no better feeling than a walk outdoors during this time. It's not just the colors, but also that crisp, cool breeze, and the earthy scent that comes with it. When all of this comes together, Brookside Gardens becomes a place that brings true peace to the soul. And look at the fountains here. Set against the backdrop of all this autumn color, the sparkling water is just mesmerizing. Alright, now we're heading to the most special part of our trip. This is the Brookside Gardens South and North Conservatories. We're about to leave the cool autumn air outside and step into a completely different world, a warm, tropical, and colorful paradise of flowers. Wow! Just look at this. The moment you step inside, you're hit with this incredible fragrance. That is the scent of chrysanthemums. We just call them mums. The entire conservatory, from floor to ceiling, is decorated with thousands of them. Every color, every size. White, yellow, pink, purple, deep burgundy, it's a feast for the eyes. This isn't just a place where flowers are planted. This is the annual Brookside Gardens Fall Chrysanthemum Show. Look at the way these flowers have been arranged. This is truly an art form. Some of the flowers are trained into large, single-stem standards that look like colorful globes. And look at these, the cascades that hang down from above like waterfalls of color. How do they get a single plant to take this shape? There is so much dedication and horticultural expertise behind this display. The staff here at the gardens spend months training these plants, pinching and shaping them specifically for the show. And the diversity among the mums themselves is amazing. Some are small, like button mums. Others are delicate and stringy, like spider mums. And all of them are part of the same chrysanthemum family. Inside this building, they maintain a warm, tropical environment. That's how all these flowers are able to bloom so perfectly, all at the same time. They don't even feel the cold that's right outside. Honestly, after walking through the autumn colors outside, coming in here feels like you've been instantly transported to spring. It's a rare chance to experience the beauty of two seasons in one place. If you love flowers, or if you love photography, a visit to Brookside Gardens right now is an absolute must-do. This is an experience that brings so much joy, both to the eyes and to the heart. So, today we spent our day at Brookside Gardens, getting two incredible experiences in one. First, the magic of autumn outside, with the trees ablaze in color and the crunch of leaves under our feet. And second, the vibrant, warm world inside the conservatory, a paradise filled with thousands of brilliant chrysanthemums. Words really aren't enough to describe this beauty. If you're in the Maryland area, you have to come and see this for yourself. Thank you so much for joining us today. To see more beautiful places like this, make sure to stay connected with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and please leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of Brookside Gardens. We'll see you again on another beautiful journey. Have a wonderful day.